Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about, well, saving some money. Spring has definitely sprung. Before I get into that though, I wanted to thank you guys. In the last 28 days, we have picked up over 2,500 subscribers. And you guys know, if you watch my videos, that I'm really trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And you guys have definitely responded. I've seen a huge uptick monthly in the last 30 days. So thank you so much for your continued efforts to help us achieve our goal of getting to 100,000 subscribers by December 31st. Now, spring has sprung. People are bringing their cars out of the garage up north, getting ready for their road trips and their fun drives over the spring and summer. And to help you with that, for the next 30 days, we are going to be offering a special promo code called Spring25. What that is something that you enter in when you're buying stuff on our website and you go to the checkout screen. There's going to be a place to enter discount codes. If you enter Spring25 in that little area when you check out, you will save an additional 5% off your entire order. Now, you're already getting free shipping on anything on our website, so this would be an additional 5% off of everything. So this is just to help you guys if there's a few things your car needs before it's really ready to hit the road, or you're trying to dress up your lighting, or you need sun visors, or you want a solar programmer, any of that stuff, anything on our website, 5% off the next 30 days using the code SPRING25. Look forward to answering any questions and look forward to helping you get your cars ready for the road this spring. Thank you so much for your continued support. We'll talk to you soon.